Sampriti Aid Foundation is a registered nonprofit organization working in Bangladesh. Sampriti Aid Foundation has been implementing the project Collective Action for Reinforcing Gender-Responsive Climate Justice and Resilience Policies in Bangladesh since January 2025. The project envisions a Bangladesh where climate justice and resilience policies are inclusive, gender-responsive, and effective in addressing the unique vulnerabilities of women and marginalized communities. The project aims to build sustainable and resilient societies by empowering local actors, strengthening collaboration, and ensuring that the voices of climate-vulnerable communities are heard at local, national, and global levels. A major achievement of this initiative is the formation of the Climate Justice Network in Bangladesh, CJNB, a nationwide alliance of 60 civil society organizations, CSOs, across 60 districts of Bangladesh, with 50% women-led organizations. This network brings together diverse voices to collectively address climate challenges through advocacy, awareness, and community action. CJNB is strengthening the capacity of alliance members to independently lead climate justice movements, advocate for policy enforcement, and promote gender-responsive climate resilience. Through training, networking, and collective action, member organizations are gaining the skills and knowledge needed to influence policies and drive meaningful change. The network is actively engaging vulnerable women and marginalized communities in community-led climate action, empowering them with resources, knowledge, and platforms to claim their rights from the state and the international community. Women are not only recognized as climate victims, but as powerful leaders and agents of change. Through collective advocacy and grassroots mobilization, Sampriti Aid Foundation and the Climate
শক্তিশালী করা, নেটওয়ার্ককে একটা স্বতন্ত্র ইনস্টিটিউট হিসাবে প্রতিষ্ঠা করা, যেন আমরা সকলে মিলে এই প্রতিষ্ঠানের সাথে জড়িত থেকে ক্লাইমেট জাস্টিস এবং ক্লাইমেট অ্যাডাপ্টেশন নিয়ে কাজ করতে পারি। এটাই আমার কমিটমেন্ট।